Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason and I'm going to be making these chocolate cookies. First, you just take the top off. Just rip it off. Here we go. And then we place them on the size. They look like knuckles. And you just place them around. Just like place them on. If you want to do this, just ask a grown-up if you can do this. Because you also have to have a grown-up to help you. If you want to like bake it by yourself, ask a grown-up. Because that's how we use safety. You place them right here, right there, 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 right there. Right there. These cookies are also safe without being cooked. After the cookies are done baking, you eat one. Thank you for watching my video today, and make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye.